So, here we have it. Here is Marduk with his arm off. I'll just climb up this ladder to give you a little peek inside. Here is the cockpit. Here is where the arm mounts on. Those two bits of PVC act as the half of a hinge so the arm can swing outwards and forward. This plastic, when the arm is on, kind of hooks up along there to give a sort of appearance of a tight seal. And here is the arm itself. You can see that it doesn't fit on the table quite right because it is so large, but that is okay. Because really, I'm going to be working on this part right here. These are those parallelograms I mentioned. I actually did end up making a set of these that were longer. I actually did end up making these longer. You can see the remains of where I did extend this parallelogram, but now that was with the newer sort of arm rotation, but I didn't really like how that was turning out, so I'm rolling back, which means I will be replacing these two bars with something a little shorter, like this. You can put it on for comparison. You can see it is a good 6 inches or so shorter, which should make it a lot better ergonomics wise inside the mech. You can see it's about the same length as the original parallelogram, so that will be a good thing. Now I'll be back when I have replaced those. There we go. Got the new parallelogram thingamajigs on, and you can see they are quite a bit shorter. So now this way, hopefully I won't be squished all inside of the cockpit. Now, something I noticed when moving the arms around, this corner right here kept hitting the roof of the mech. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a couple of these, 4-inch diameter PVCs, and put them right on here, in between this parallelogram bit and the actual frame of the arm itself, so that there's a nice extension out, and hopefully that will give enough clearance so the top of the shoulder won't hit the roof of the mech. So I'll be right back with that. There we go. Alright, I might admit it looks a little goofy, but the Waldo arm is offset from the actual arm by a good 4 inches. And you can see there's just a big empty space going down there. So hopefully, with the mounting points here, it will be a couple inches further out from the mech's body, and this won't be snagging on the roof, and it'll be able to do a better rotation, maybe even get some good swings and punches out of it. I did adjust the tension on this cable, so the elbow should be working now. It's just I'm not going to show you because it requires 2 hands and I cannot find my tripod. So I guess for the next video I'll either be showing off the movement of this arm, or be making a video about the other arm, I hope. Because for that I have to entirely roll back everything. I mean, with this I already had the hinges in place before I took it off. So, for the right arm I'm going to have to do the entire rollback, which will be fun, but I probably won't film that. Don't know, I have to wait and see. So, if you do like my content, be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.